Do you want to feel more confident in those sleeveless tops and dresses? We'll be working the muscles of the chest, back, and arms with dumbbells and no push-ups. Okay, so we got some standing upper body. We got some shoulder work. Okay, so we're gonna overhead press, and then we'll do some front raise. We'll drive the bus. Okay, I'm gonna go heavier. There are partials in here. All right, bring it up. If you prefer a wider grip, take that. I like to stagger my stance so I don't arch my back, okay? Up 2, down 2. Press up. Okay, here come the partials I was talking about. Top of the head, all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. Partial. Top of the head. All the way up. This gets all 3 heads of the shoulder. It also gets your triceps and the upper chest. Can we do one more set? Yes, we can. Partial, I answered for you. 2 more. All the way up. Here's your last one. All right, put one weight down. You may want to go lighter. I'm going to keep my 12. I call this drive the bus. Whenever my class, my in-person class hears this, they don't like it. Okay, you're going to come up, twist the elbows, take it down. Bend those knees. You're not arching the back to lift the weight. If you are, it's too heavy. About chest height. Doesn't need to be level with your face. So make sure you're not just twisting the forearms. Okay, you're twisting those elbows. Now we're gonna stay up. We're gonna keep driving the bus. Joom, joom, joom. That's what it sounds like. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Did you feel it? I did. Go light. I've got 8s. Lateral raise to a scap raise. And I'll show you the difference here. Lead with your elbows. Slight bend in the elbows. So try not to lift with the neck. Keep those shoulders depressed. Okay, now thumbs up and go on a slight angle forward. Keep a slight bend in your elbow. This tends to be an easier movement for some people that the lateral raise bothers their shoulder. You're just going on a slight angle forward. Now lateral raise again. One more. And then scap raise. You only have 2. Lift. Okay, we're gonna alternate and we're done with this. Lateral raise. 1. Scap raise. Lift. Okay, one more set. And then scap raise. All right, set that down. Woo! Feel my shoulders. Okay, a little bit of standing core, a little bit of upper back. We did work the upper back, but more isometrically than isolation. I'm gonna grab my 20 on this. So think core on this as well. 1 foot forward. I'm gonna have my right foot back. I'm in a staggered stance. Okay, flat back, pull back, and then elbow out. Close grip, horizontal. Close grip, wide grip. If this feels too fast for the weight you're holding, definitely go slower. Abs in. So it's not just about the arm. Pull that shoulder blade back and in. Let's slow it down. 2-2. Pull and down. Now elbow out. One more each way. And outside. And then down. Bring yourself up. We're going to switch sides. We're going to start with a little bit quicker. Wide stance. If you're narrow, there's a chance that you're going to round that upper spine. So better to be a little farther apart. Sometimes I like to get down on my elbow. Now close grip. Out. So think of pulling that shoulder blade back and in. Upper back. Remember, go slower if you need to. We're going to slow it down right now. Narrow. 2-2. Now out. One more. Narrow. Abs in. Take it out. Set it down. Whee! 2 weights, light. We're going to hinge again. We're going to do 3, and then we're going to stand up. Okay? I got 8. Weakest part of the shoulder, back of the shoulder. Just remember, squeeze the shoulder blades together so you get that upper back as well. Abs engaged. All right, take it down. Squeeze back. Put those hips back, bend those knees, stand up. So as soon as you get in that hinge, your abs are turned on, support your low back. So if you're feeling a lot of tension in your low back, bend your legs a little more. Okay, we got 4 more of those. Three more. Navel in. 2 more. Last one. Stand up. Oh. Okay. All you need is 1 light dumbbell. You don't have to use weight at all. Like a little bit of standing core, just a little. I'm gonna keep my 8. I think I'm good. I'm gonna keep the 8. Kick these out of the way because I have been known to trip on things. It's great for comic relief. Stagger your stance. 1 foot turned out. Make sure that you're not too close. It's better to be a little too wide. Bend those knees, hand down. Too hard, put the weight in the lower hand. Or don't use weight, of course, that's an option. So it helps if you're open. Go to you feel a stretch here. And then pull with that side. Squeeze in. Remember, you could have the weight in that bottom hand. Physics, which I didn't take. Now 4 counts. 1, 2, 3. Abs are tight, right? Yeah? 4 again. Okay, put the weight in both hands horizontally, and then turn center. Turn. See how my hips are going with me? I'm controlling that weight. I'm not just throwing it out there. I'm stopping the movement with this oblique. What happens if you don't stop it with your abs? Your back stops it. Squeeze that glute. This whole side. Squeeze the glute, squeeze the obliques. You can always bend the arms a little more if that's too much, or just lose the weight. Okay, get rid of that weight. Stop the movement. 2 more. We're going to go to the other side. 1 more. Stagger the stance. Turn the toe out. Feet apart, bend those knees. Over, back. Remember, the weight can be in this hand. Now you're working the other side. You're working all the way around. So if you feel like you can't get very far down, widen your stance. Bend your knees a little more. That's just going to open up the hips and allow you to get down there. Remember, you could be here. So you don't have that resistance driving down against gravity. It's just pulling you instead. It's a little bit easier. 2 more, then we slow it down. Okay, you got 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 1 more. Oh, we're almost done. Okay, put the weight horizontally between both hands. Bend those knees. Other way. With control. Remember, bring that hip. Stop that movement. Listen to your body. If it doesn't feel right, go lighter or put the weight down. So as that weight goes out, you brace. Okay, you only got 2 more. 1 more. 1 more. Set it down. I don't know how to count. All right, ready for a quick stretch? You guys are awesome. Over to the side. Give me that side bend because you just worked it. Oh, feel that. Now, drop that shoulder and then really reach. So, let that shoulder blade go. Stretch through the lat. You got support. Drop the arm. Step back. Scoot that leg back. Curl the hip under. Tuck your pelvis. And then sink down. Hip flexor. Quad stretch. You can even lean back if you want to deepen that stretch. And then shift back. Hamstring. Bring yourself up. Okay, other way, side bend. And then drop the shoulder, reach across. Remember, let that shoulder blade go. Lat stretch, oblique stretch. Okay, drop that arm, step way back. And then curl the knee and the hip, sink down. You want this knee right over your heel. You can lean back, hip flexor, quad stretch. And then shift your weight back, hamstring with this leg. Okay, step in. Big inhale. Exhale. One more time. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.